Molo mfundi. That means hello learner. And you can say back to me, Molo tichalakazi, which means hello to the lady teacher. Let's hear you say it. Molo tichalakazi. Ewe. Ndingu Robin. I'm Robin, but you can call me tichalakazi. That's the lady teacher. Let's hear you say it. Tichalakazi. Ewe. Today we are going to learn about umzimba, the body. Can you say umzimba? Let's hear you say it. Umzimba. Ewe. And to learn it, we are going to use a song. Yep, it's the head, shoulders, knees and toes song, but in isiXhosa. Masiqale. Let's begin. First, let's hear how the song goes. Intloko amaqha sifuba isinqe madolo inzwane amehlo indlebe umlomo impumlo. To learn any song we have to know the words. Ready? Head. Intloko. There's no click in that word. Say the sounds after me. Inta. Good. Lo. Go. No click. Intloko. Good. Shoulders. Say it after me. Amaqha. There's a click here now. Like you're making the horse go faster. Amaqha. Good. Then chest. Isifuba. Chest. Isifuba. Intloko. Amaqha. Isifuba. Then we have waist. Isinqe. There's a click here as well. Isinqe. Isi. Nqe. Isinqe. Like you're knocking a cricket ball or you're knocking on the door. Isinqe. Then we have knees. Amadolo. Then toes. Inzwane. Amadolo. Isinqe. Isifuba. Amaqha. Intloko. Let's start with the beginning part of the song. Intloko amaqha sifuba isinqe madolo inzwane. Again. Intloko amaqha sifuba isinqe madolo inzwane. Okay, now it's time to learn the second part of the song. Amehlo, our eyes. Amehlo. Like you've got a hot potato in your mouth and you need to cool it down, but you can't spit it out. So you're going to say, not shh. Good. Amehlo, our eyes. Amehlo. Then we have indlebe, ears. Indlebe. Lebe. Say it after me. Indlebe. Then mouth. Umlomo. Good. And last one. Impumlo. Nose. Nose. It's a popping sound. It's a hard sound. Impumlo. Good. Let's try the second half of the song. Amehlo indlebe umlomo umlomo impumlo, umlomo impumlo. Again. Amehlo indlebe, umlomo impumlo, umlomo impumlo, umlomo impumlo. Okay, nice job. Let's put it all together. Ready? Inhloko, amagxa, sifuba, isinqe, madolo, inzwane, madolo, inzwane. Amehlo, indlebe, umlomo impumlo, umlomo impumlo, umlomo impumlo. Did you get them all right? Wenze kakuhle mfundi. Well done. You have learned umzimba. Umzimba is the body. I wonder what we'll learn next. Come back and find out. And parents, hey you parents, don't forget to like and subscribe to be the first to find out when my next Xhosa Connect Kids YouTube video is out. Sala kakuhle. Stay well. Sala kakuhle.